Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met yet, this is Urgan Spaldon, and I have started this channel in the beginning of the lockdown with an aim to create travel content. But then, since we do not see travel anywhere near, so I have decided to shoot a day in my a day in my life vlog in the village. So I look gross. I haven't washed my hair for I don't know, for a week. I look gross. Okay, let's get started. Let's go. This is the scene right now. Onions are drying up in the sun and the tomatoes drying here. This was used to be a room which has turned into a storage now for the tomatoes, and the task of the day is to change this room to get a makeover. Yep. So I have set the phone with a Jugadu tripod, and this is the scene. This is the rectangular room which we are going to do a makeover, and the cats are fighting in the background. Okay, that's it. During the lockdown, the children were back home helping the family in the field and studying from home. And to give them a space to study, our village inaugurated a community library, and we were running a book donation drive for the same. So we were doing our part by giving away some of the books that we had, which were like old and we were not using anymore. And being a bibliophile, I kept some of the books with me, and yeah, I'm guilty about that. And if any one of you want to donate book, please leave a message. More than 25 years old. So this room has this storage for grains. This is a storage area and where you can store grains. What else we have? Pretty cool, right? Very old. It has cracks everywhere. So this room has two such storage kind, one and the other this one. We are ready to paint, and I will be covering my head, and that's the wall that we are working on first. The one with all those immature drawings of some leftover paints that we had. We were unable to put this closet out because it's too heavy, and two of us cannot lift this one up, so this one is standing here. Later we will move it toward this side when we will be painting this wall. So you get the idea of what we are trying to do. It's a pretty hot mess. I got carried away with my journals and all thing, and it's already around 3 by now. We are ready. Hello, say hi. Guys, this is the final look of the room. We are shooting at night for the light. So painted this wall, as you remember, peach color, and they were painted this wall with Hello Gorgeous, and she did some DIY. These are Polaroid kind of picture, and this one is very familiar from the cover of a novel Fault in Our Stars. And this wall we have painted grayish blue, and this is the sticker and the light that we got from Amazon. And this is the look when we switch off the main light. It's like the room kind of gets blue. And this is a bed for single person, and this is school stuffs, and this is the study area. Some books, more books, and yes, it's how it looks night. And also she did this. Ow, I think I hurt my foot. There was something. And this is another section, ideas from Pinterest. Ooh, this is some birthday gift, I don't know. And we got the view here. It's quite sunny today. Okay guys, this is the dinner. This is in traditional Ladakhi food. This is made out of roasted barley, and this is called zan, and this is mix of curd and this is mix of mixture of curd and dried green vegetables, like the green vegetables which were dried in the summer.
In Hindi it's called bichu putti.
Okay, we have a lot of thing going on in the background. I'm not showing anyone because I'm not interested. Okay guys, let me have the meal. Bye. This is the community library.
My big book.
So many books.
My big book.
Ooh. Who would want to study with this view, guys? Wow. Try harder, bish.
Okay guys, this is a vlog takeover. So we went to the library and kept the books there. We left a note because there was no one there, and
We are just walking because we are not getting lift, and our father has a meeting, so he stayed back.
yeah, he also bought some snacks for us.
It's over now.
She ate it all. You all know that, right?
Okay, this is sea buckthorn. We'll be fishing it. Some traffic. Yeah.
We went to the library and kept the books there. Get out!